Welcome to McPlum, simple solutions served daily.
In this video, I will explain how to play Peaks of Prestige. To begin, set up the main mountain board in the center of your playing area. Next, shuffle the 85 unique peak cards and place them face down to form the draw pile. Each of the 2 to 4 players then selects a player board and takes 5 starting resource tokens, which are essential for your ascents. This initial setup takes approximately 5 minutes, preparing everyone for an exciting climb. During your turn, you will first draw 1 peak card from the deck, adding it to your hand. Following this, you have the opportunity to perform 2 actions. These actions can be chosen from climbing a peak, gathering valuable resources like stone, wood, or rope, or playing an ascent card from your hand. Each action requires careful consideration, as your resource management and strategic card play will directly impact your progress up the mountains. To excel in Peaks of Prestige, focus on efficient resource management and thoughtful peak selection. You earn prestige points primarily by successfully completing peaks, with higher peaks offering greater rewards. Additionally, you can gain bonus points by collecting sets of 3 unique ascent cards, which can significantly boost your final score. Aim to balance immediate gains with long-term strategic goals to maximize your point accumulation. The game reaches its exciting conclusion when either one player successfully completes their 5th peak or the entire peak card deck has been drawn. At this point, all players tally their total prestige points. These points come from your completed peaks and any bonus sets of ascent cards you have collected. The player who has accumulated the highest total number of prestige points is then crowned the victor, having demonstrated superior climbing prowess and strategic skill.
Thanks for watching, stay juicy, and subscribe.